In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Schedule C in TurboTax. If you're self-employed, freelancing, or running a small business, as a sole proprietor, Schedule C is the tax form used to report your business income and expenses. In TurboTax, the process starts in the income section, and from there, you can access the self-employment area where this information is entered. To begin, log into TurboTax and look at the main navigation near the top of the screen. Move your cursor over the income section. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of earnings you may need to report on your return. If you don't immediately see everything expanded, hovering over income should reveal the available options and help you get to the correct section more quickly. Next, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page acts like a central hub for all income categories in your return. It gives you a broad overview of what has already been entered and what still needs attention. If you have multiple sources of income, this summary page is especially useful because it helps you confirm that you're working in the correct area before adding business details. Take a moment here to scan the page so you understand how TurboTax groups your information. Once you're on the summary page, find the self-employment income and expenses section and click Start. This is the key step that opens the Schedule C workflow inside TurboTax. From here, the software will guide you through the business-related parts of your tax return, including reporting the income you earned and the expenses connected to running your business. If you've never done this before, don't worry. TurboTax typically breaks the process into smaller screens so it feels more manageable. As you move into this section, it helps to have your records ready, including business income totals and any deductible expenses you plan to enter. Accurate records make this part much smoother and can help reduce mistakes. Even though TurboTax walks you through the process, it's still a good idea to read each prompt carefully so you classify your information correctly. That's how you get to the Schedule C section in TurboTax. Starting from income, going to Wages and Income Summary, and then selecting. Start next to Self-Employment Income and Expenses will put you on the right path. Once you're there, you can continue entering your business details directly in the guided tax workflow.